In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dislike a YouTube video and undo it. First, head to your web browser and go to youtube.com. Give the page a moment to load fully so everything on the homepage appears correctly. You can use any modern browser, and a stable internet connection will make this feel smooth and responsive. Next, choose the video you want to interact with. You can select something from the homepage, use the search bar to look up a specific video, or open a link you already have. Click the video to start playing it. It's best to let the watch page open completely, because the buttons we'll use appear right below the video's title. Under the title, you'll see a row of actions. Look for the small thumbs down icon. This is the dislike button. It usually sits next to the thumbs up like button, along with share and other options. If you don't see it right away, scroll slightly so the title and action bar are in view. On some layouts, the button labels might be shortened, but the thumbs down icon is consistent. Now, click the thumbs down icon to register your dislike. When it works, you'll notice a quick visual change, such as the icon filling in or a brief on-screen confirmation. That's it. The dislike has been recorded. YouTube uses this signal primarily to personalize your recommendations and improve the content it suggests to you. Public dislike counts are not shown, so you won't see a number increase, but your feedback still matters. If you're signed in, it will be tied to your account. If not, the action may not be saved across sessions. If you change your mind, removing the dislike is just as simple. Click the same thumbs down icon again. The change will revert, and the icon will return to its default, unselected state. This is helpful if you clicked by mistake or if the video improved after watching more of it. You can adjust your feedback at any time while you're on the watch page. A quick tip: if you're multitasking or the video is in a minimized view, make sure you're on the main watch page to access the dislike button. Also, allow the page to finish loading before clicking, especially on slower connections, to ensure your action is captured correctly. That's all you need to do. Open youtube.com, play the video, click the thumbs down icon, and click it again to remove the dislike if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your YouTube experience with confidence.